This is my LG washer, and it's having a problem turning on. So it makes the sound, but none of the lights are turning on. If I turn it off, alright, to take off the top, it's just 2 screws. Right here and on the other clip over there. Alright, I've taken out the 2 screws. The top, at least of my washer, is pretty stiff to take off. So I have a suction cup and I put that on, then it gives a nice thing to pull on. Now that the top's off, right behind the control panel, there are a couple of connectors. Now, I pulled out the connectors. I checked each of them, and they were all connected well, except for this smaller white one. It had slipped out a little ways, and when I pull it apart and put it back together, it doesn't seem to snap quite right. But as soon as I pushed it back in, I can come here and everything is working again. So I'll probably put a little piece of aluminum tape on this connector, and it'll probably be that should take care of my problem. Okay, I just put a small piece of tape on the back. It's aluminum tape. It's super sticky. It's pretty strong. For some reason, the little connector on mine wasn't staying tight, but that seems to have resolved the issue, and hopefully this will help.